Biglan. Magandang umaga. Guwapa Sheryl. Thank you, Biglan. How are you, Biglan? Good morning. Good evening there. Chester Hexen. Good morning. Thank you, Sir Chester. Hi, Mama. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, no, no, no. I'm good. Kumusta ka? I'm fine. Okay naman. I'm fine. You? How are you? Fine. Claudio Oliver. Hi. What's up, Big Lan? From Chester, Hexen. What's for breakfast? Just eating the breakfast. Not yet. Maybe bread. SM, hi. Claudio. Hola, ¿cómo está mi corazón? Hi, Claudio. Claudio. Where are you from, Claudio? Hi, Ma'am Kay and Paper. Hi, sis. How are you, sis? Musta? Javier Pontos. During the Vietnam War, she offered herself for a few sea rations. What means? Javier Pontos. Thank you, Ma'am Sis Kay and Paper. Hi, Ma'am Kay and Sis Kay and Paper. Thank you so much. Thank you, Big Lan. Thank you so much. Why? No, I don't lipstick. Apply little bit lipstick. Why? I'm looking pale. Pardon Peru. Pero to Elise, my adorable. Thank you, Claudio. Double tap your screen, like, subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Big Long. Big Long. Elcibal Omega. Hi, Omega. Jose Costa. My love from Claudio. Your love. Princessa. Bruno Salva. Hi, Princessa. Princessa. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Claudio. Jose English. Good morning. Insan, tambay ako sa'yo. Salamat, Insan. Kumusta? Kagigising ko lang. Ay, nagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inject pero matay na nini. Kakagising ko lang. Yeah. Hello, happy life. Hi. You look so happy, Insan. I'm okay, Insan. Just done cooking and a little bored. Kaya tambay ako sa'yo. Walang magawa. Hi, Ray Miller. How are you? Finally. Good. Finally. Finally what? Thank you. Hello, good morning. Good morning. I'm watching Valenzuela. Hi, Mac D Vlogs. Thank you for watching from Valenzuela. How are you? Where is my hug? Where's your hug? Thank, thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. 12 thumbs up. Hi. Hey, were you able to change to what you said? I already changed. I already changed. Look. No different. No different. I thought something different. No different. Same as before. Nothing changed. Hurry. Nothing changed. Oh my goodness. Don't you know, na. Hmm? Bakal kasi? Ha? Ano to lang? You're so busy to clean your whole house. Yes. She eating apples so fast. Hi, Par. Um, Raminazi. Raminazi. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Thank you. Mac D Vlogs. Thumbs up dan maganda, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Welcome back, Greg. Same. Same. I thought, uh, I thought Tim, something changed, but nothing changed. I'm sorry. But I already changed going to my gym. What should I do? Hugas siya di ako tagang sa lorong. Hugasan mo sa maayos. Same. Thank you for the 16 thumbs up. We will check later. Okay. Where are you from, Mom? I'm from Bicol. Bicol, Sorsogon, Philippines. Jose Ombosis Pili por Copito. Copito. Joseph McKillan. Hi, beautiful. Hello, Sir Joseph. Kingdom. Hi, Kingdom. Morning. Hi, Greg from team. From your kingdom, from UK. UK. Armpits, wow. The armpits. No, wow. Bakal pa, bakal na. Naglalay ba ako? Ano nga? Kuya Park? Ay, si Miming. Meng. Meng. Bakal man pansit canton. Ng burger. Ng tinapay. Ang wala pa laman. Opo.
Tapos,
Hindi rin siya tinatanan
Tinapay
ng
na
mga
ang wala
anak
pa
niya.
laman
Hindi
na
rin siya
tinapay.
matatahimik. Pati asawa niya.
mas kilala na kasi kantan.
Ayan na. Ang kulit pa naman ng
Kaya lang.
bunso.
Kasi,
Nakakatawa to si ate. Nakasag-trip eh. Ayan, lumabas na naman siya. Ayan. Hindi rin niya matiis. Binalik din.
Tall.
Wala ka rin pala magagawa sa
Tamil
asawa.
fan. Hi, Tamil fan. Tamil fan.
Lakas na.
Tamil fan. Ano to? Small mellow.
Oy! Iniwan mo na si
Ano? Puyo ka nag-live ako. Morning, lovely. What's happening in Philippines for you today, lovely? Happening today, beautiful morning. Beautiful, lovely morning now. Tuesday. Puyo. Dito na lang, ikaw. Dito ka. Okay. Alay pa na ako. I love you, smile. Smell bad. What you doing, guys? Thank you for 17 people giving thumbs up. Salamat. How are you doing? I'm doing as usual. Baha sa Bunawan, Davao City. Bakit baha? It's to be my goodness.
diba, dito tinapay?
Opo, separeto.
Bro, ako atiraan sa
Ano na lang? O, 4 sa'yo, 5.
lima.
Sa 5. Yan. Thank you.
Dito, ba't mainit to?
Sige na ako. It's on early second taking the easy way out. Good morning, Sheryl. Patrick Griffin, good morning. Beautiful. I love the sound of the rooster. The rooster. Come for we are not dito kind of child. Kasi mong tabi adin mo. Okay lang. Salamat.
Ere.
Jadi itu. Oh, thank you. Did it woke up this morning? Yes. Didn't wake up early. We wake up late. How are you guys? Where are you from, Patrick Baby? I could be holding you close to me. See, coming back. I'm from USA. Oh, where are you in US? Ano kasing? Pwede ba na kasi na no? Kopi ko blanca, salamat. Twin pack. Kopi ko blanca, twin pack. Holding you. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. 21 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Good morning. Love you too. VG Alec. Let me guess, you're in Philippines, right? Yes, I'm from Philippines.
Kamsap naman.
Salamat din. Anong gusto mo?
20.
Almusal o
20.
5?
25. Mas kasi.
If I let you go. South Florida. We are South Florida. Okay. You are one beautiful woman. Diba? Thank you. Good morning, honey. Good morning, beauty. Good morning, red apple. Where's the red apple? Where's the apple? Where's the apple? Where's the red apple? Thank you. 22. Thank you, 22 thumbs up. Thank you, 8 people. Hello, beautiful. Oscar, Wiz, thank you. 5? Ano? 5? Mamaya. You are pretty. Thank you, Kyle Thomas. Daniel Cogswell. Where are you from, guys? Thank you. Thank you for joining. 23 thumbs up. Salamat. Wow, 23 na. 23 na. Everyone, hit the like on your screen. Marry me. Why? Why me? I don't know you. Kyle, are you drunk? I'm trying to find the red apple somewhere behind you. Yes, I'm not. Where's the red apple? I want to eat the red apple, but no one here. Thank you to Tom Sack. like on the floor. Even the floor, no. No. No floor. I already cleaned the floor. I already no apple. Love you from Akash. Wow. Eliza Velarde Official. Hi, Mama Liza. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Mom. Akash. Jeff. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Paul. Hi, sir. I like and subscribe to your channel. Thank you so much, Sir Jeff, for subscribes and the food website. Thank you for the likes. Likes. Hi, Patrick from Eliza Velarde Official. Hi, Jeff. Big P. Pinay Sheryl. Hi, I'm from Scotland, UK. Hi, Sir Jeff from Scotland, UK. Thank you for joining, Sir Jeff. Fit. Hi, Eliza from Portugal. The best girl in the world. ML. Derek Jones. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Derek Jones. Well, ever see you smiling back at me. Fellow chica. Nice shirt. Happy friend. Happy friend. What's your breakfast? Breakfast, the bread, and the pancit canton. My YouTube channel is Convex. Okay? Convex. I will try to, find it and I will subscribe your Sir Jeff Convex. Backup. Golden Frieza. Hi, Golden Frieza. You sing very good. Really? I'll let you go. You're really happy. Very nice. I'm a happy person. I broke up last month, but I'm last year. I felt so broke up, but I'm always to stay happy, to be happy. No money, happy. No honey, happy. No food, happy. No friends, still happy. Then crazy. Crazy people. Thank you for the thumbs up. 20 thumbs up, guys. Oh my god. So much. I'm not eat balot. I don't like balot. I'm not a Filipino, maybe. I'm not eat balot. Hello, good morning. I'm Robert from Virginia, USA. Nice to meet you. How is life in the Philippines province, my friend? Hi, Sir Robert. Sir Robert. Sir Robert. Uh, Driven. Drivenco. Thank you for joining, Sir Robert. How are you? Wait. Golden Pizza, let me see the shirt back. No, so plain shirt. So plain. I'm sexy, I'm adventure. So plain. Hello from St. Cloud, Minnesota, USA. Hi, Timothy Cavallari from St. Cloud, Minnesota, USA. Wow, from USA. Thank you po. How are you guys? Digby Biglon, say double tap the screen, like and subscribe. That's what Biglon says. Thank you. Thank you, Digby. Thank God. Thank God. From Patrick Griffin. I'm sure you have a nice family and lots of friends. Yes, I have a family and very nice friends. I have a nice friends. Lots. Nasaan ang asawa mo? Wala akong asawa. Aasawahin pa lang. Oh, I got more. Are you a single mother? Now I'm a single mother, but soon I'm married. Yeah. Oh, too late there. Why are you going to be single? What? No, I'm not going to be single. I'm getting married soon. Yeah. Pansit canton. The pansit canton, yeah. Let's eat, guys. Yes. Agad! Gabriel! Gab! Makaw ka? Ano na lang?
Alam mo naman kung sino ka, makakainis ka na. Nakakasawa yung ano, ang ugali mo. Pag-trip. Sawa na ako sa'yo. Iwalay na ako sa'yo. Bakit na ako? Ay, parang gusto ko ng fries.
Sure, what Ernest to say? What's it? And I didn't read Ernesto. Say. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Lasing ka ba? Lasing ka pa? No, not drunk, Ernesto. He said if Ernesto said if I'm drunk. So drunk. No, I'm not drunk. Disgusting Master. Kumusta from Disgusting Master? Alex Resurrection. Good morning po. Hi Alex. Hello. What? Robert from Robert. Yanko. The best thing about the Philippines. Huy! Nakalive ako, Marbukon. Nakalive ako. Nakalive ako. Hi! Nakalive ako. The best thing about the Philippines people is their love of life and family and the ability to always see the good in life and always have a wonderful smile even with a broken heart. True. Got it. You got it, Sir Robert. You got it. We always choose to be positive in life. Always to be a positive in life. Life is beautiful. Nano pamahawon doon? Tinapay. Hi, May. From you. Gusto mo may Ernesto. Huwag ka dito. Kung gusto mo, Ernesto, kung gusto mo yung mga ganyan, yung mga ganyang galawan, hindi inaalaw, hindi ko siya inaalaw dito. Kasi karamihan dito sa mga yung gusto mo, yung mga ganyang usapan. Makabit-kabit, ayaw ko ng mga kabit-kabit. Ayaw ko ng may sabit, sumasabit. Ayaw ko ng ganyan. Makikaon. Sige, wag na. Kumain na. Hindi pa diho. Sarap lang pati napansit kanto ng luto ko. Aray. Pansit canton. May pansit. Wait. Masarap pansit canton. Ano kain mo? Pansit canton. Kain. Wow, sarap. Opo. Yummy. Yummy pansit canton. Kain po. Kumain na kayo. Let's eat na. Kumusta? Okay lang po. Ikaw, kumusta ka, Sam? Kain ka na. Good morning, sarap na ng agahan mo po. Bye. Bye, Sam. Thank you so much, Sam, sa pagpunta.
Ay, tayo.
How your day been? Good. Golden face, Sam. Always good. Why you didn't your Facebook change like mine? I will do.
Ay, kanton.
I will. Ayos siya.
Sanlag ka sa tila.
Sige lang. That's good to hear. Yang Yang Tong Zhu. Hey, I come to see you again. Are you okay, friend? I'm okay. Yang Tong Zhu. How about you, Yang Tong Zhu? How are you? Is that your daughter? No, she's my niece. She's my niece. She's my niece. What is your favorite Philippine food? Mine is lumpia. And my favorite American food is cheeseburger and french fries. How about you? My favorite food, Bagel Express. Sir Robert, my favorite food is Bagel Express. Better speak Korean today. Is that your sister behind you? No, she's my niece, my sister's daughter. What you like to do? Me? May I like to do? I want sleeping. I want to sleep. I want to go outside the nature. I'm a nature lover. Going to the sea, beautiful nature like that. No, pigs. You have husband. Not yet, but I will soon. Soon I have an husband. I've never heard of Bicol. Bicol. I'm from Bicol province. That's why I love Bicol Express. You can tell me about it. Uh, like Bicol Express, like park. Kwan, kwan na. Mukha na ito. Kung tigsaya ka mo sa ay, dua pa yan. Sa'yo na lang. Bicol Express with chili. Hot. You, what are you eating? It looks delicious. Pancet. I eat pancet. Hi, Jenny Kim. You should try camping. Yes. For what is pancit is called pancit. It's like spaghetti, but different. But it looks like a spaghetti. The pancit. You eat Bicol Express the other day, yes. Yes, Bicol Express. Zari Izimar. Hi, Miss Zari Izimar. Time is it now in your place? The time here now is 8:20 in the morning. My English is not good. You speak too fast and I can't understand. I'm sorry, Yang Tongju. Time is time now. Time here now is 8:20. 8:20 in the morning. Morning here. Thank you for the teen people in my life. Thank you so 30 for Damsa. Thank you so much. Hi. Chibol Star. Hi, Chibol Star. DG Jack Gamer. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Triple Star. Good morning. I want to bring the little sister who walks around behind you to China. Why? Pigs. I like Bicol Express, but I'm allergic to coconut milk. Yeah. Why? Coconut milk is healthy. What is? I don't know. I don't know what. Maybe I don't know Tim. DG Jack Gamer. That's why I'm not saying because I think it's different language. Pass. Work from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. almost every day. It's 8:30 p.m. now. Are you working, Sir Robert? 6 to 6? 12 hours. What is your work, Sir Robert? What is your job? Where's the lumpia? No lumpia. I think we make lumpia if have an occasion like birthday, anniversary, something like celebrate. We make lumpia, but if not, uh, we don't we don't make. I don't know what DG said. That's why I don't read it. I don't want to say it. I think it's not good. I don't know. Robert from Mr. Robert. I work as a crane operator in a shipyard. We build aircraft, carriers, and submarines. Wow, that's nice, Sir Robert. Do you feel like a superstar? No, I'm not like that. Not like that, Michael. I'm a simple woman here in Bicol. Look my face. Look. Yang Dongzu, please help me watch the little sister walking around behind me. Behind me? Behind you? I have to go work and I will come to see him when I get off work. One day I will bring him to China. What is your work? Yang Dongzu. What is your work and why you bring my niece there in China? How a good looking woman like you, but you bought it. Golden Preza, BG, thank you. Oh yes, you do. No, I'm not. Oh my god. Not taken. Ah, okay. Joseph. Hi, Joseph. Simple is beautiful. Thank you. Is he your child? No, it's not my child. My niece. My sister daughter. She's not my child. Are you single? No, I'm not. Why is that? Why? Why is that? Why is that? Pistang Makudan. Hello, Princesa from Bruno Silva. Hi, Bruno. Where are you from, Bruno? I have to go work to go to work. Bye bye. Bye bye, Yang Tongsi. Bye. Take care always. God bless you. Thank you for joining my live here now. Thank you. Michael Ramirez. Let me see the super style smile. One. Michael. Hmm. Thank you, Michael. Bolero. Super. Oh, Bolero. Looking in your eyes, I see you. It's Brazil and Spain. Brazil and Spain, two countries you're from. You born in Brazil, but you live in Spain. What? Bruno. Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. The world is to be true. It's really good times. It's fun. I don't you. Seem crazy, set apart. Did I make a making that had to hurt? Then together. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Superstar, one more pretty smile. Ah! My God! Leave this, leave the saying out though. I am right, Bruno. It's bolero. What is bolero? Bolero means, wait. Bolero in English is jokes. Right, jokes. What a nice joke. Cheryl, what is bolero? Bolero is joker. Jokes. Joker. Bolero is joker. You like jokes? Yes, I like jokes. It depends the jokes na mahakita. Michael, mahakita. Okay. What a key. What a key. Mahaki. Mahaki. Masama bele Musa embelele. Embelele. Rasa see paradise and my heart's so good to. What is your response? My response. Oh, this is jokes. What's a nice jokes? Bolero. It means I said when you say that. When I said I have a beautiful voice. Oh, what's a nice jokes? That's my response. If I was over there, you be my girl. I'm not a girl. I'm not a girl. I'm not yet a woman. I will come from Morocco and marry this beautiful princess. He said he loved you. What you said back? Oh, he loved me. He said he loved me. He said he loved me. I'm not the response. I said thank you. If anyone said here they love me, I always said thank you so much. But I'm taken. Tito Stepan, hi Cheryl. Hi, Tito. Yes. How? What you say back? Say back. Yes, that's mahal kita means love too. I laugh because never said mahal kita. I said mahaki. It's a K. It's not mahal kita. Just said mahaki, not mahal kita. No, it's not like that. It's, hello, love. Wait. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Tita. Hello, Pugi Tito Stefan. Hi, Tita. Thank you for joining again. Salamat. Hello, Sixy, Tita Maria. Wow, the couple here. Sana all. Just say I love you too, Mike. No. It's not easy. You see someone love is need to read. It's a real. So I don't know you, Mike. So maybe it's a friend, like a friend. Spelled wrong. Should be mahal kita. Yes. Should be mahal kita. It's easy to say loving someone to others. It's easy to say love, but it's never. It's a very rare to mean it. You're sweet. You are sweet. Thank you, Robert. The word love is used too casually. Yes, used too casually. Yes, used too casually. Really think that's okay. I don't need girls getting whoop on me. Okay. Whoop. Except between us, Tita Marie. Wow, sana all how so sweet. The Tito Stefan, Tita Marie. Ah, what a nice couple here. Beautiful couple. I love it. Yes, Tito, the word love I use to people I know, it's a sacred word. Yes, it's a sacred word. But yes, it's used to casually and why. Yeah, yeah. Normal here on YouTube. So normal word here on YouTube. One more pretty smile before I go, please. Michael. Thank you, Michael. God bless and take care always. Thank you for joining, Michael. I'm happy. Thank you for joining. Where are you from, Michael? How is your morning, Cheryl? What's for the breakfast? My morning and day. My breakfast is pancit canton with with bread. And yummy. Si pandesal. No pandesal. Wow, sarap yan. Opo, masarap. No pandesal because I wake up late. Pandesal is early morning here. So I'm not, hindi ko naabutan ng pandesal. You have good personality with prettiness, awesome combination. Bye. Bye, Michael. Ramirez, thank you for joining. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless. Nice to meet you. Hello po, it's Philippines. Hi, Lucas. Sir Lucas, thank you for joining. Where are you from? Argentina, I think. Argentina. The flag. Welcome my channel. Philippines. Filipina. Filipina po. The pandesal seller is out really around 6 a.m. Yes, early in the morning. I wake up late, 7. I wake up early, but I'm not getting up. Getting up because ano, feel still sleepy, lazy, lazy. The pandesal seller, yes. Chop chop. Silly me, my tita Marie. Why? Silly me, my bad tita Marie. Why, Delilah? What is pandesal? The pandesal is bread, a little bread. Uh, national bread in the Philippines. Pandesal. Easy to never gonna satisfy. Looks like a dinner bun to the sweet bed. Yes. What did you do, Tito? What did you do? You're not together now? Okay. I'm looking old now. So older now. I'm getting older now.
Di ba, di ba, pala yung kung men?
Pandesal is so good with cheese whiz. Yes, cheese whiz. Ah, the pandesal. Hot pandesal. I forgot that pandesal was a breakfast bread. Yes, breakfast bread. Pandesal is a breakfast bread in Philippines. Ah, I know. Read HH. Hi. Read HH. Read HH. Never gonna satisfy. Anong kanta yun? I know that rice is life. Yes, rice is life. Coffee is life. But for me, bread is life. It's a half. I like bread and half rice. I can live without rice, but having a bread. I always like a bread. Like bread. I know. I know. Hi. I'm going uh I'm going what end the live na. I need to end the live na. Thank you Tita Marie, Tito Stefan. Thank you guys. Thank you team. My love you so sweet honey. My love so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you guys. Someone here. Thank you. Thank you for joining. I love you. Thank you po. See you later. Bye-bye. Welcome. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye. Thank you, tita. Love you all. Thank you, Tito Stephen. God bless you.